Looking to earn money with minimum work through AI YouTube channel? Whether you're chasing trends or building evergreen content, AI has opened up a world of possibilities. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best AI-powered faceless YouTube channel ideas that can help you grow your channel without ever showing your face. Let's unlock your YouTube potential, one idea at a time. AI-powered educational content. Create engaging, short-form explainer videos using AI animation tools like Synthesia or Pictory. Quick tech explainers, science facts, AI tips, and tutorial videos. High demand, evergreen content, low production cost, scalability. Automated news updates. Provide regular updates on a specific topic using text-to-speech and automated visuals. Crypto news, stock market analysis, movie and gaming news, artificial intelligence and tech industry trends. Timely and relevant, frequent uploads, minimal effort for research, high engagement potential. AI tutorials and productivity hacks. Teach viewers how to use AI tools effectively for personal and professional tasks. Automate your job with AI tools. Best AI tools for students? How to write a book in 7 days with AI. Rising trend, monetization opportunities, scalability, high value. Relaxation and ambient content. Generate ambient videos or relaxing visuals using AI. AI-generated landscapes with soothing music. Ambient soundscapes like rain, ocean waves, or forest sounds. Sleep aid videos using AI-generated content. Low maintenance, long watch times, universal appeal, more ads. AI-generated stories. Use AI writing tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to create original stories, then narrate them using text-to-speech and pair with stock footage or AI art. Horror or science fiction short stories, motivational or life advice stories, historical what-if scenarios. Creative freedom, virality potential, visuals made easy, growing trend. That wraps up the 5 best AI faceless YouTube channel ideas for 2025. Which idea are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more YouTube tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.